Sanbonani. I hope everyone they are having a beautiful day on a beautiful Wednesday in South Africa, Johannesburg. Siyababona ke abantu siphezulu kwayo indaba yo uthando nesithembu season 9. Yebo ke siyababona ke umamkhulu no wife number 5 hayi babhizi ke lapho ngama makeup abo, which means they are getting ready to go and set. So uSamke did mention on your live ukubana yes, season 9 of Uthando Nesithembu is coming next year. Uthi next year nini or which month okanye which day? No, she didn't say, because naye uze uyatsho phaa ku-live ukubana I am not even sure if I am even allowed to be saying all these things, but yes, definitely season 9 of Uthando Nesithembu is coming next year. We can't wait for the drama that is gonna come with it. We cannot wait. We can't wait. Honestly speaking, we can't wait, because it ended up on such an edge. We thought uMangwabe was leaving. We thought Umayeni was leaving because of number 5, which is Umakwela. So there was a whole lot of like, what is happening? Yes, there was a whole lot of like eyebrows raising bana njani kaloku, because we saw also uMayeni nje wayesekabhizi nkosi yami, ebhizi oshabeni nkosi yami, having the best time of your life, even spending some time with them boys. Like it was nje, everyone was like at that whatever stage. Khumalo naye, we thought she was leaving, but she actually wasn't, because we saw that she had updated her Insta profile to Thobile Khumalo and not Thobile Mseleku. So nje, we can't wait for season 9. Let's see that what will season 9 bring us, because now there's officially wife number 5, there's even a baby, and Umakwela on that her live, everyone kept on asking her ukbana what is the baby's name, and she did say ukbana unfortunately she cannot tell people right now what is the baby's name. I guess they're waiting for her to turn a year or something like that, like how most people would like fully introduce a child to happy 50th birthday to Mbalenhle Mseleku, if her name is Mbalenhle Mseleku. So we think they are waiting for that. So nje, everyone is on the edge with the upcoming season of Uthando Nesithembu. We are so eager. We can't wait for it. Like, we are looking forward. Everyone, I am looking forward myself to see what will be happening on season 9 of uThando Nesithembu, because there's a whole lot from uThando Nesithembu to ingane zesithembu. We sing ukubana kwingane zesithembu nakhona Umpumelelo Loboladi Amahle, and then Engaged Tirelo. I guess all of those things, like, they will be featured in season 9 of uThando Nesithembu, because they do feature sometimes. So we might be getting wedding bells and all the stories, the drama, the love, and everything. We are looking forward to it, to see Ubana what does Umangwabe had to say for herself, since she said Ubana yena she was leaving Umusa Mseleko, but we've been seeing Ubana hi, it was just into yothando Nesithembu, as some people would say. Ubana it is indeed scripted. So now we've always thought Ubana they are living like their life like it's live, nothing filtered, no filters, no everything. We thought it's like live, but no, it is scripted. So we are definitely looking forward to it. Let me know, guys, in the comment section. What drama do you think will unfold with season 9 of uThando Nesithembu. Let me know what drama are you expecting also as a viewer. Ubana definitely season 9 we'll see. So someone was telling Umakhwele Ubana, are you going to still be rolling your eyes on season 9? She's like, girl, I'm the diva of eye rolling. So yes, definitely that will all be coming together. With all of that, we are definitely looking forward to it. We are seeing them, they will post here and there, basibonisa ukubana they are doing their makeup and getting ready, but again, nothing has been aired yet to say bana yes, this is what will be happening. So soon it will come to an end, so that we'll see bana usiphatheleni ke useason 9 uThando Nesithembu. We can't wait, guys. Let me know, what do you guys think? Let me know, what are your thoughts? Let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.